Hi everyone! I've gotten so many questions about my binding machine that I thought I'd answer them all in one quick video. I bought my binding machine from Amazon about 5 years ago. It's the Rubi Coil. I'm going to show you how to use it. First, you'll want to laminate all the pages that you want to bind. You'll cut them and laminate them so that they're ready to go. With the Rubi Coil, you can punch holes in multiple pages if they're not laminated, but you'll only want to do one page at a time if they are laminated. First, you'll take your first page and you'll slide it in the Rubi Coil. Once it's in there, you can pull down the lever to punch the holes. The main difference between the comb binding machine that you find at your school and the Rubi Coil is that the coils make it near impossible for a student to unravel when you bind something, which saves you from lost pages or pieces and the need to reprint and laminate again. When you're done punching the holes in all of the pages, you'll put all the pages together, line up the holes, then you'll take your coil and start feeding it through. Once you feed the coil through, you'll notice that you have some excess. You'll want to cut that off with scissors. You can buy a plier tool on Amazon to crimp the edges shut. This helps it from coming undone. You can also do it with your fingers. And then you're done. I'll add the affiliate link for the Rubi Coil and the comb bindings to the comments. Happy binding!